Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I posted a trade in the group on the EurUSd. Here I have it up on my screen. I'll show you exactly what I have wrote down here. This is looking at the 15-minute chart. Here we can look at the hour. Here we can look at the 4-hour. Here we can see the daily and the weekly, monthly, and so forth. Okay, how did I get this? Let's break it down. First and foremost, I have the Rich Life template up. Okay, I'm on the monthly time frame. Same process, okay? Okay. Same process every day. I mean, really, you can redo this every single day. Okay. Start at the monthly line chart. All right. I want to change my line chart color to yellow. Okay. Looking at the line chart here. This is the monthly. I always start on the monthly. It's just the biggest time frame, so that's the biggest picture. Bam. Once you get used to doing this, it really gets pretty simple. I'm on the line chart monthly. I'm going to keep repeating that. Try to get that instilled in your brains. Alright, I'm marking off my points, my reversal points on the line chart. Monthly. Okay? It's not realistic that price will jump this low, but it is realistic price will get in this area. So it's really, really important that you focus on the levels where price is at. You know what I'm saying? It's not likely it jumps all the way up here, but we'll go ahead and mark that off. But right in here, definitely. Now we'll go to the weekly. Same thing. Candles. Okay. Now we see we're right in here on the weekly. Now, if we really want to try to lock in, what we can do is hit this daily, okay, and hit the line chart, zoom out a little bit. We see where price is at, so we can look to the left a little bit and mark off some of those right around price here, here. Well, we'll just mark up, consider that one, and mark that one here. Alright, now back on the candles. Here we have this pattern set up here. Now, we're not going to really do any lower than that daily. So now we're here. Okay. Simple enough, right? Alright. Now, let's go look and see how this whole charting setup looks on the 15-minute chart. Here what we have on the 15-minute chart. based on what we've done. Okay, as you can see, we are at the high, current high of the day. We spiked right below yesterday's low. So if I mark off yesterday's low, we got right here, 7,700. Today's high is right around 7,900. We have a very nice pattern set up here on the 15-minute chart at the high of the day, so it's all good. Here's what we have on the hour chart. We get a nice little doji. Alright, now based on, let me change some stuff here. Now, based on the ADR prediction with this ADR indicator, it's got my prediction that my target low for the day is here. You'll have all this on your templates. So what I would typically do when I have caught the higher low of the day entry, I would then set my target for the target low of the day. Alright, makes sense? Okay. Just saw somebody trying to join the hangout. I tried to call whenever you guys don't answer the call, I just go ahead and continue with the session and record the current pair and upload the video. I had the video uploaded usually by 5 o'clock when it happens like that. But everything that I traded is posted in the Telegram group. Everything that I will post today, as I posted. Now the entry for today's trade came, let's zoom up. Entries for today's trade came here, came above here. Okay, entry for today's trade was between there, and we had the stop loss here. Alright, so today's entry zone is in here. Alright, hope that makes sense to everybody, and hope how I broke that down and analyzed that was simple enough. Also, what I did focus on was the fact that this is the London session, this blue box here. Let's watch and see how these next two 15-minute candles here on this EurUSD play out. It's going to be beautiful. Let's take a peek over here at this 1 minute chart. This is the pattern we're getting right in here. 1 minute chart. Very, very, very beautiful. What this particular pattern is showing here on the EurUSD 1 minute chart is multiple rejections from moving forward. I did not mean to move that target right here. Just a moment, I'll get that out of the way because we're going to leave it down here. Go back in here. Now, the only time I really recommend even looking at the 1 minute chart is once you're in the trade or looking to confirm your position to your opportunity to enter a trade. You definitely want a strong 3 attempt rejection on the 1 minute chart at least to really even want to confirm or take an entry. Okay, since I happen to move my stop, I just got stopped out, but what I'm going to do is definitely look for position to get back in, because I did not mean to move my stop right there. Should have left it where it was at. My finger just actually slipped on the mouse. But again, the stop, the entry zone is from here to here into your position. So we have a pretty still swift entry zone. So right in here would definitely be a superb entry, especially based on the particular pattern that's appearing. I'm also taking binary trades. So in a situation like this, via binary options, what you would do is you would simply wait for this very strong confirming pattern to come at the high or low of the day, and you can simply take a 30-minute trade. It's fairly simple, and you just have to be patient. You just have to be patient. It's really the only requirement in the market in general. It only requires patience. Okay, so what I'm actually doing here is I'm checking my positions. Now over time, as you guys get more acquainted with the charts and stuff like that, you'll notice that the market really makes its major shift moves at these 15-minute turning points. So what I mean by that is that 445, we'll see our major shift move. Or we'll see it appear on one or two of these next 15-minute candles. And it could possibly be a shift all the way back down here. That's why I'll tell you guys to focus on the bigger pictures here. And then look for your entries on levels in charts such as here. But if you haven't done your work on your higher time frames, don't even attempt to come any lower than the hour. What I want you guys to start doing is sticking to one trade per currency. I know I do have two positions here, but what I want you guys to do is stick to just one trade, and that's going to be a 0.05 per $100 in your account. Alright, so now this is what we have on the hour chart. This is still our buy zone from 775 and above. Stop loss at 1800. So we could easily just adjust our stop loss. I told you earlier I clicked my finger and it's got a little sticky here. Sorry. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Okay. Stop loss right there, 1800. And our take profit was at, I believe, 7100, which is going to be here. Alright, I'll go ahead and get this video uploaded for you guys. This is the EurUSd. Today's Monday, December 18th. This is the trade analysis for the week. We should be looking at a low potential target of, for the week now, here. For the week, we'll be looking down here. Midweek, we'll be looking for this initial trade that we're in is for a target of 1.1700. Overall, for the week, we can expect price to come down into here to the 1.163 level. All right.